All right, everybody, we're out here in Chantilly, Virginia today, and we are visiting a hobby store. Today, we are visiting Adrenaline RC. So Adrenaline RC was originally opened in the 90s, early 90s, and has since changed ownership. Originally opened as an airplane shop, but now they have a really cool drift scene going on, and community is their biggest thing. Let's take a look around the store. So as you walk into the store, we've got behind the desk, they got just a huge amount of cars back there on the wall. All the stuff, look at all those neat things. We got an Inferno. The owner here also has an 8th scale track about an hour from here. Maybe we'll try and check that out, but here's our front case. All the usual stuff, Traxxas, speed controls, those IMR's D1000, those are really good chargers. Got some Spectrum stuff, servos, receivers, all the usual stuff. Go over here in the back part. We've got all of the usual paints, and we've got some airplane supplies. Anybody looking for a son of a digger? And you got one here. They got a bunch of cases and Spectrum controllers, TQIs, Futaba. More airplane stuff. All right, so a bunch of airplane stuff. We've got all our controllers, adapters, wires, connectors, whatever you need. More airplane stuff on this side. We've got a Blade 330S. That's really cool. Let's see. A really well-stocked hobby shop. Got a whole bunch of different. What the heck is this must be an air speed controller, AVN, brushless. So they've got a lot of supplies for air shops. This shop was, like I said, originally opened up as an airplane RC shop, and then it has such switched. Now we're getting into the car stuff. So we've got Losi, we've got all kinds of different supplies. There's the MIP, best tools in the US. We've got a bunch of different cars hanging out over here. But we're going to get to the good stuff. You can kind of see it there in the background, the drift track. And then, Bingo Design. Let's go back over here and see what this is. I bet there's some really cool stuff on this wall that I've never seen before. Check out these drift chassis. Oh, jeepers. Carbon fiber, matte forged. Red, black, sparkle, blue, gold. Holy smokes. Shocks. This is some stuff that I've never seen. Check out these cars up here on the top. All these drift cars. If you are into drift, ooh, I like that MSGR 86RB. That purple one there, that's an RC Microverse car, that's for sure. Wonder how much that is. I might have to make a deal here. DC-10. Wow. So much stuff, so much stuff. Let's go down here on the track and see if we can get some shots of these cars drifting. Take a look. Let's see what we got. So there they are, just hanging out. Oh, we got the little tiny mini. Look at that thing go. All right. Let's see if they'll give us a show. The little mini is so cool. What size is that car? Like 164?
Yes, sir.
They got a little 164 Hot Wheel Matchbox looking thing rolling the track. That thing is just killing it. I really gotta try drifting. I suck at drifting. But, I don't know, maybe if I had a decent car. Wow. Check out, so over there in the middle, they've got a police drift car. Let's see if I can zoom in on that for you. Check that thing out. Police drift car. With the low profile tires and everything. Wow, that's pretty cool. Check out the wall over here. They got the garage and the 7-Eleven on the wall there. Wow. Adrenaline RC. And, of course, can't have a store without the TRX 4Ms. There you go. RC Microverse is in the house with the micro models. Let's see if we can get a better shot of the garage. We're over here on the other side now. There we go. We got the micro garage. And then we've got 7-Eleven, folks. Pit stop at 7-Eleven. Look at that. Just when you need a cold drink, you need a cold drink. There goes that cop car. That thing is so slick. Lowrider cop car. I got that thing. See it coming around, there it comes. Check this thing out. You got the low profile tires and everything. Wow. Got the little flashy light and everything on top of it. Just slipping around the corner. That thing is so cool. Check out this slider, this drift car. So he's got a mechanism here on a servo that pops the body up and down. And then up in the top of the car, he's got a slider so that it can move back and forth. This is so cool. I've never seen anything like that. It's very good. That's pretty cool. Oh, that's so much fun.
So this here is the Yokomo.
Is that the Yokomo
limited edition?
Wow.
And so this deck here is the same one that you get in the pack, but Rudy from Bingo RC has used his UV printer to custom print that on there for me.
Oh wow! Check out the designs. I don't know if you can see. There's some skulls on this thing. That is a beautiful chassis. There we go. So let's see here. Trying this out to this drift car, and I have no idea what I'm doing. Never driven a drift car before. How do you get it to transition? Is it like a brake thing or is it a throttle thing?
It's throttle. So
Throttle?
yeah. Hold on the throttle and then let go, and then you can steer into it.
Gotcha.
The biggest thing is you want to kind of let the gyro do most of the steering.
I'm a racer, so I have no idea what a gyro is.
So the gyro kind of like self-steers the car for you. Oh, you got it.
No. No, this is horrible. All right, I have to buy one. See, I wanted it to
Try to think of steering the car with the rear of the car, almost like, yeah. Use the rear.
I want to counter steer. That's my racer. See, my racer says counter steer, but maybe that'll make me a better racer. Oh, jeepers, that's horrible.
No, I mean,
That was my first time with a drift car, and you can see I have absolutely no clue what I'm doing, but let's actually see somebody who has a little bit of practice under their belt. Here's that same car, not me driving. Check it out. That's pretty good. That's what it's supposed to look like, more or less, right?
Pretty much, kind of. I just started too, but
Wow.
get the hang of it.
All right, let's get him when he comes back around over here. Here it comes. So this is not me driving. That was pretty good. That was way better than I did. All right, I think we're done here today. Guys in the shop have been really helpful. I think we're done here today. I'm gonna go see about maybe buying an RC car. Have a good night.